Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is something special actually. This one you can hear the noise, also you can see the what is this. This is actually B medical system, the model wise L130. This one you can hear the problem, you can see the problem. This one continuously occurring, that's mean continuously occurring, that's mean buzzer, otherwise alarm is continuously ringing. Because of that actually now I'm going to resolve this issue, and I will show you how to resolve this one, and we will go to the next step and we will see. So I will show you the model. This is the model. You can see B medical system. This is 220 240 power, 50-60 hertz, also 200 watts, 1 ampere, gas R600A, that's mean butane gas. Also you can see here it is 0.023 kilogram. This is maximum 12 bar. It's like that. Specifications are there. Now the problem I will explain to you. This is the buzzer. Actually it's continuous alarm is buzzering, the otherwise buzzer continuously buzzering. Now the problem I will explain to you. It is showing 330.2 Celsius degree, also HAL and PWR. That's mean this one I will if I'm going to explain to you the 30 degree Celsius, that's mean actually it is at the moment ambient room temperature. That means its temperature is very high. Because of that, at the same time also this alarm it's continuously coming. Also other one PWR mean actually power failure. That one also it's happening. The reason is we have to check the power also. Other one is HAL, that's mean actually high alarm. Because of that we have to check what is the exactly problem. That is common issues I will explain to you. If it is this gasket damage, at the same time also it's coming, it's alarm. Also any leakage from the gasket side, damage or any leakage. Otherwise if you unfortunately keeping long time door open, at the same time it will come to the same alarm. Also we have to check here internally having fan. You can see here internal fan. Also if it is compressor working, at the same time evaporator getting cool, but fan is not working at the same time, also it's coming this error message. Also if we are going to the back side here, condenser leaking something, also gas blockage, also gas leakage, anything happen at the same time also it will come the alarm. Because of that now we have to check A to Z. That means I will give the power connections and we will check compressor will start or not, and we can check through the condenser. If it is getting heat, it should definitely cool. Because of that now I will give the power first. After that I can understand, also I can troubleshoot the problem. Also I'm try to mute this buzzer, but it's still continuously coming. That means at the moment you can see here maximum this temperature, not the minus, plus, sorry, it is the plus 4 and 15, that is the set temperature. But anyway we will check, I will check with the power. After that we can understand what is the exactly problem. Now I will connect the power and we will see. Also we will go to the next step. Also you can understand some doubt come from you, because this is external battery pack is there. While we are giving 230 power, battery pack it will get charged. After that, until getting power having, at the same time this buzzer and everything it will work, display and all, because this is actually it is something special refrigerator, because the medicine everything they are keeping here. And anyway, now I will give the power connection and we will go to the next step. Dear friends, I already given power. We can open. You can see here it is, you can see a fan, you can see here fan already working. That's mean nothing to worry about the fan. Fan is working. Now we will wait. It is we can check here decreasing temperature or increasing. It is still stable. That's mean 30.2 Celsius degree temperature still showing. And we will check with the compressor area. Yes, we can hear the noise. Compressor is working, like it is compressor working, noise coming. But anyway, we will open the cover. After that we can understand. We will open here. So I will remove slowly here back cover. After that we can understand. Now I remove all 4 screws. After that we can take like that slowly. Yes dear, I will keep like that. Now I can check. You can see here this is compressor. Compressor is working. Also it is condenser, it's getting heat. It should actually give good cool, because it is no any issue, no any leakage gas also. Yes my dear, it is dry filter also okay, no problem. We will wait half an hour. After that we will check again. Dear friends, you can see here it is came up to 12 degrees Celsius. Now buzzer again, alarm. It is alarm start again. Now again I will mute this one. Now we will see. It is actually normal, because you know it is temperature increase up to 20. It is from the beginning it shows 30 temperature, room temperature. Because of that alarm start to work. Now it is actually history showing. Now it is randomly is not coming. Now the problem, it is still having red color here. Also it's showing high alarm. You can see HAL still showing. Now it came up to 11.9. Now we will wait if it is again occurring or not. It's automatically realizing again alarm, but after decreasing temperature it will disappear. But until that we cannot say, but we will wait until come it is minimum temperature +4, and we have to wait until that. We will see. That's mean internally temperature is shows more than 30, because it is 1 day 2 days they kept off, switch off. Especially here in UAE, ambient temperature is very high, outdoor temperature more than now today 42. But because of that actually some issues coming internally, it's taking long time to get cool. Now the thing is from yesterday until now it is temperature already came down until 9.9 Celsius degree temperature. but here already I set the temperature. I will show you. The set temperature is you can see here it is set temperature is 5, but it should come until 5, but in this situation it's not coming to 5. Because of that, alarm is continuously ringing. Now I will show you the problem with this. Now already it is set temperature 5, but high alarm set it is might 6. Because of that, I will show you. This one you can see here, dear friends, it is already set temperature alarm. It is 7. Because of that, continuously alarm ringing. It is continuously alarm coming. Now what we can do, we have to increase the alarm temperature. I am going to keep temperature 10. This is low. I have to keep high. Yes, now I am going to keep this one 10 at least. After that, this alarm will be disappear. Yes, dear, I already set alarm 10. Now at the same time, immediately alarm is disappear. Now if it is coming temperature, that's mean room temperature, that's mean freezer temperature, it will come up to 10. It's alarm again, it will start to ring. Now it is already got stopped. The thing is, other thing is, this one is not coming, not decreasing. Set temperature, that's mean it's not coming to the set temperature point. That's mean I already kept 5. Also it is showing 9.9. Now I have to check for that. But alarm case is now already resolved. Thanks for watching my channel, and we will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.